my iced pumpkin pie latte. Go ahead guys, garnish with some marshmallows and cinnamon stick and some parsley. Welcome back to Anne's Happy Place, where we have lots of juices, smoothies, and many more Jamaican dishes. So sit back, relax. I will be doing for you some iced pumpkin pie latte. Okay, so I have here some coffee, brewed coffee, pumpkin that was boiled. I have my almond milk that I'm gonna use as milk. I have some sugar, like a tablespoon of sugar, and I have some nutmeg. I have some ice. I have my vanilla, and I also gonna be using a small amount of salt, just maybe this spoon. Yes. So I'm gonna get started now, guys. Alright, so it's my iced pumpkin pie latte. Alright, and this is the time for pumpkin, so I'm pulling all the pumpkin recipe for you guys. Alright, so just stick with me until the end and you see my finished product. Let's get started, guys. I have my coffee already brewed, and I have my pumpkin, so I'm gonna add my pumpkin. This is a side. I'm gonna add my almond milk. Okay, I'm gonna add some sugar. This is roughly, you can add any amount of sugar you prefer in your latte. Alright, I'm gonna add some salt. Just add. I'm using the smallest of the measuring spoon, and it's 1/8 teaspoon. Okay, I'm gonna add some vanilla, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Right. I'm gonna add some nutmeg. It's nutmeg here, so I'm gonna add. It's roughly a teaspoon. Okay. Right. I'm gonna add my ice. I'm gonna just cover this. And then I'm gonna add it. All done, guys. I'm gonna glass this now. Okay, this is it, guys. It's my iced pumpkin pie latte. Nice. My iced pumpkin pie latte. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, leave me a comment on what you think about this delicious iced pumpkin pie latte. Right? It's pumpkin in season, it's pumpkin time now, so using up all the recipe I can for this season with pumpkin. So remember to like, share and subscribe for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. There you have it, guys, my final product, my iced pumpkin pie latte. Go ahead, guys, garnish with some marshmallows and cinnamon stick and some parsley. Nice. My iced pumpkin pie latte. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.